Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable your transaction PIN on the Binance app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Binance application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your credentials. Once you are taken into the home page, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner and then press the arrow icon alongside your username. Now go into security and then press the down arrow underneath password. Now just go into Pay PIN and this will now take you into the menu where you can change your payment PIN. In order to disable, just tap on the Disable PIN option and then press Confirm. You will now see that your payment PIN has successfully been removed. And when you tap on this option once again, you will be asked to set a new payment PIN. This means that your payment PIN has now been disabled. Now every time you make a transaction, you are not required to enter any PIN. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable a transaction PIN on the Binance application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you again in the next video.